Hello everyone, my name is ZHONG, Matric number A20ET0042. So this is a business pitching video for UBSS 1032 Section 8. My title is Eco-Friendly Home Cleaning Service. The need is that increasing demand for convenient and sustainable home cleaning options that prioritize health and the environment. How do we approach that is by the subscription-based eco-friendly home cleaning service using all natural, non-toxic products and eco-friendly practices. The benefit is that have a clean and healthy home without harmful chemicals, reduce carbon footprint, and the convenience for busy household. The competition for this business is that unique value proposition of being environmentally friendly and convenient set us apart in the emerging market of eco-friendly home cleaning service. That's all from me. Thank you.